Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 6. Its good name, Rules are for everyone. There are rules of social life that tell us what each person should be doing. Rules need to be made to specify each person's duties and responsibilities. Can you tell, for example, can you tell some traffic rules? We follow traffic rules so that traffic moves smoothly. In the same way, if we follow the rules, our day-to-day life becomes disciplined. We can work more efficiently. See student, rules are meant for everybody. They apply equally to all. No one is above the rules. Disobeying the rules leads to punishment. There is no discrimination in punishment. Punishments for breaking the rules. In this way, equality is the basis of rules. Changes in rules for the society. Our society works according to certain rules. We make the rules ourselves. We follow these rules because they are meant for the common good. Proper changes are also introduced in the rules made for a society. There is a difference between the rules of society and the laws of nature. Natural occurrence follows laws of nature. We cannot change the laws of nature. For example, the rising, the setting of the sun. Setting of the sun and the change in the seasons never stop. The law of gravity does not change. The rising and falling of the tides, the phases of the moon, all of these things occur according to the laws of nature. Nature's laws are constant and fixed. They do not ever become outdated. However, human laws need to be changed with changing conditions. The laws followed in India under the rules of the British were different. When India gained independence, the situation changed and the laws of Sikhs' life changed accordingly. For example, after independence, the voting age was 21 years. After 1988, the voting age was lowered to 18 years.